Hi there, today I will be guiding you through how to use Jasper AI. Using Jasper is like eating a piece of cake, so for using it, the first thing we have to do is we need to create an account on Jasper. And we can create an account with the help of a Google account, or we can use any custom email address. So first create an account in the search bar. Simply search for Jasper AI. Once you will search for it on the top, you'll see the official website of Jasper. In order to create an account, click on the first link. Now here you will see different options like Start Free Trial, Get a Demo, and if you take a look on the top, you will see some icon of Platforms, Solution, Resources, Company, and Pricing. You can get a free demo by clicking on it, and also you can start a free trial by hitting this icon. If you already have an account, then click on the option Login. But before getting the free trial of Jasper AI, let's see the pricing list of Jasper. So click on the option Pricing. If I scroll down, this one is that Creator plan. It will cost $39 per month. This one is Pro, it will cost $59, and it is the custom pricing, but these are subscription based on yearly. If I click on the option Monthly, you can see it will cost $49, $69. These are the monthly subscription of Jasper. Each package has its own benefit. It's up to you what you want to do. But if you don't any of these, then they will get free 7-day trial. After 7 days, your monthly plan will be Start. But first, 7 days will be free. I already signed up my account in Jasper. Let me go to that. And as you can see, the Jasper AI interface, which you will see after signing in your account in Jasper, Jasper provides different type of application. In order to get access of any application, click on it. And here you can see all the application like blog post, product description, Facebook post, and if you scroll down, you will see different applications. It's up to you what you want to do. But for now, I will let you know how can you start a normal conversation with Jasper. In order to start a normal conversation with Jasper, simply click on this option, Ask Jasper Anything. And you can ask anything to Jasper, like you are a YouTuber or your Facebook user and you want to create a video script with the help of Jasper. What you have to do, simply write the title, ask Jasper write the script based on your title for your YouTube channel or for your Facebook page. Just like I am a YouTuber and I want to create a video on a story. The story title will be random. I will pick any random title, so let me write a random title. So I just write a random prompt. You can attach a link to the Jasper, but for not, I will not do it. I will hit this arrow and Jasper will start thinking and will write a complete story which will be on 5 lines. And below you will see the story, a bear in a jungle. You can read all the script by yourself. Now, if you want to change anything in this story, then ask Jasper to rewrite the whole story. You will also see some suggestions by Jasper, like these. If you want to copy, then click on this option and copy it. If you want to rewrite them, then ask Jasper to rewrite the whole story. Once you will ask, Jasper will rewrite it. You can see by this way you will get 2 stories just by a single prompt. If you ask again, then it will start again. That's it.